Getting started with LexTrace only takes a few minutes. First, we'll connect LexTrace to Notion and choose where to store our tracking data. LexTrace only creates a single database page for your tracking data. It won't modify any of your existing pages, databases, or content. For this example, we'll use the Command Center page, and LexTrace will create a new database inside it as a child page. Next, LexTrace generates a secure installation link. Paste it into your Notion page and choose Embed. Then complete the secure connection through the cabinet. From there, you can manage your subscription, devices, and other settings. Back in Notion, LexTrace is installed and ready to use. You can resize the embed so it fits neatly on the page. Before tracking, let's create a category to keep sessions organized. Then choose a category, name your session, and start tracking. Pause anytime so breaks don't count. Now let's look at a workspace with some existing data. You can view all sessions in a single list or group them by category. Charts make it easy to see where your time is going. Switch chart types, toggle categories, and focus on what matters most. Some advanced features, such as goals and exports, are available on a paid plan. LexTrace includes a free trial with no credit card required, and Stripe securely handles payments. Set goals by category, choose your tracking days, and LexTrace automatically calculates your weekly and monthly targets. You can also open LexTrace in the browser for a larger view and access to export tools. Thanks for watching. If you want to track your time directly inside Notion, give LexTrace a try. The link is in the description.